Hello guys, I know most of you can't believe that this is Abia State. You can see how beautiful this particular area in Abia is. It's as if this is London. Somebody can, take a picture of this place and claim that he or she is in London. You can see how beautiful this place is. So nice, the serenity, it's just like London, Bucharest, Europe, and the rest of them. So guys, come with me, let me show you guys beautiful places here in Abia State. If it's the first time you are tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, maybe after watching this video you'll find it interesting, you can help me just kindly click the subscribe button and then the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified and you'll be able to watch the video. So this is MCC Junction, and from here I'm going to take you guys to OKPUNUMOGO. I'm going to take you guys to OKPUNUMOGO here in Abia State. So this is OSISIOMA area. In my previous video, I showed you the OSISIOMA flyover, but this is OSISIOMA, all this area stretching forth to Aba Owerri Road. From here, I'm taking you guys, like I said, to OKPUNUMOGO. So stay tuned, keep watching, watch to the end. Tell me what you think in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button, like I said previously, and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. This is Abia in October 2024. So tell me what you think in the comment section. I never liked to visit Abia before because of a whole lot of the trash littered all over the place. But for some time now, you would notice that Abia has been going through some type of, should I say, upgrading. All those dustbins, heap of dustbins that were scattered all over the place, they are nowhere to be found again. Little by little, Abia is becoming cleaner and cleaner. And another thing I noticed about Abia is the reconstruction of some roads. You understand, like the Port Harcourt Road here in Abia that is under serious construction, and some other roads that the contracts were awarded and the roads have been completed. Yes, so little by little Abia is getting there, and we believe that our government is even going to do more to make this city, because Abia has name. Abia is one of the cities in the southeastern part of Nigeria that is very popular. Very popular for business. Made in Abia, everybody knows made in Abia. So it would be nice if people come to this city and then be able to move freely with their cars without bad roads, potholes, and the rest of them. So I believe that the new construction and reconstruction of roads is going to help boost the economy of this city. How? Because more people are going to be free to come do business, relax, nightlife. I also noticed that street lights have been installed in some streets. Like, if you go through Emilogu Street at night, you notice that there is, the return of nightlife. There is nightlife there again, and some other things. Just watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section.